Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the webcam is not working on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button. Here you have to click on the settings icon. And here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. So here you will find camera with the run button corresponding to it. So run the camera troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how I can fix the issue. Thus will automatically fix the issue for you. So please follow the suggestions and recommendations that it will suggest. Next method. We also need to make sure that the camera access is enabled. So go ahead and the start button, click on it, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down and under app permissions, you will find camera. Click on that. Make sure camera access is enabled from here. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on, so make sure this is enabled from here. Also, let apps access your camera. Make sure this is enabled from here, especially for all the applications that needs to access your camera. You can simply enable or turn on the button from here. Then for the next method, right-click at the start button. Then here you have to select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to simply locate for the cameras. Now if you can't find cameras here in the device manager, click on your user name, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. You can also click on view and click on show hidden devices until you can find your cameras. Once you find it, make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. You can also update it manually. Make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next and that will automatically update, or that will update the drivers for you. You can also make a right click on it, select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled it, click on your username, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. And there you go, your camera will be back. And after that, you simply check if the problem has been fixed. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Here in this block window, simply type sfc /scannow. It's sfc /scannow, hit enter. So the system file checker scan will check and fix for all system corrupted files. So you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, close the window, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.